Hi, welcome to Crown English. This is Elsie.
And I'm Adam.
Okay, so we have so many Christmas postcards for everybody. What do we have?
Well, what we have are the 4 elements.
The first one is
The fire sign.
fire signs, 火象。你的星座是火象星座吗？ And then we have
The water signs.
water signs, 水象。What about this one?
Air signs.
Air signs, 风象。And this one is
Earth signs.
earth signs, 土象。每个同学呢都有这4张。不过呢，星座卡片的话，每个同学目前是2张，对不对？ Okay, so what are these 12 cards?
Well, the 12 cards we have in front of you are the constellations of the stars.
星座卡。
They represent your birth month or the time from when you were born that align with the stars above. So the first one I have is Capricorn.
摩羯座。And then I have Aquarius, 水瓶座。
And then the next one I have is Pisces.
双鱼座 I'm a Pisces.
Yes, you are.
And then Aries, 牡羊座。
The next one is Taurus.
金牛座。And then Gemini, 双子座。
This one's a crab. It's a Cancer.
Cancer, 巨蟹座。And then a lion, Leo, 狮子座。
This one is Virgo.
处女座。And the next one is Libra, 天秤座。
Be careful of this one, it might sting you. This one is Scorpio.
天蝎座。And then the last one is Sagittarius, 射手座。I think you are a Sagittarius, right?
That is true, I am.
Okay, 那后面有一些形容词，我们来看是不是形容他的个性好。So do you think you are an optimistic person?
Of course I do, yes.
Oh, cool. So do you think these adjectives are right about you?
Yeah, I think they describe me pretty well.
Cool. Okay. 所以同学们要怎么样得到全部12张呢？就是要带同学来试听，你就可以得到12张星座卡。然后里面有个秘密 I've heard there's a secret.
There is a secret. Really? What's the secret?
Shh, okay, we don't say it. You guys have to figure it out, okay? 所以要记得带同学来试听，你就可以拿到12张星座卡，然后你就可以知道里面到底有什么秘密。记得把它排出来，你才会知道秘密哦。Okay, so, oh, by the way, there's different color, like red,
And green.
green.
Yeah.
What does that mean?
I don't know. But I think that might be the key to the secret.
这又是另外一个秘密了。你把它排出来，翻到背面之后，这些不同颜色的字母也排出不同的句子跟字哦。Okay? So Adam, can you tell everybody how to write a proper postcard? Like a Christmas postcard.
A Christmas postcard.
Yeah, you can try
Okay.
this one. This is Gemini.
Okay. So a postcard is naturally somewhere that you're there and your family's not there or your friends are not there. So what you would write is the first thing, the person's name. So, Dear Elsie.
Dear Elsie, 记得是 D-E-A-R, dear, 不是 D-E-E-R, dear. Okay.
And then what I would write is, since it's Christmas coming up, I would say, Dear Elsie, I hope that you have a wonderful Christmas. I hope that you spend it with your family and your friends and your loved ones. I hope that everything this Christmas will fulfill your heart and be great and wonderful.
Okay, so we can write out the words that we want to tell our friends or our family.
Exactly, you want to say, and usually with a postcard, it's from, you're away from them.
Yeah.
Right? So you could say, I'm missing you, or
我正在想你。
I'm lonely without you during Christmas time,
圣诞节你不在我很寂寞。
And that will make the other person that you send it to feel very warm and loved.
让他们觉得心是暖暖的，看到这张卡片。Okay, and in the end we can write down Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas. Thinking of you.
Thinking of you, 想着你。Okay, but how do we spell Merry?
Mary. Good question. It's not M-A-R-Y like the name. It's M-E-R-R-Y.
M-E-R-R-Y because Merry means happy.
Exactly.
Okay, so after we write down Merry Christmas, we can write out Happy New Year.
That's correct.
Okay,
Yes.
What about in the end?
Then you would usually obviously sign your name. Sincerely.
Sincerely, Adam.
That's correct.
Sincerely, Elsie. 把你的名字再摆到上面去。And you're done? Okay, so I think we're going to say goodbye to our students.
Okay.
For Crown English, this is Elsie.
And this is Adam.
Bye.
Bye-bye.